Unordered list in HTML. Unordered list. So basically unordered list is a list, right? It do not have a numbering, right? It do not have numbering. And the second one we have ordered list. It has what? It has numbers in its list, whereas in ordered list it do not have numbers in its list. How an unordered list is defined? Well, unordered list is defined using UL tag, right? This is these tags are used to define unordered list, and every element, or we can see every list in ordered list is defined using li. Suppose we have 5 items, then we have to write like this 5 times. So this ul basically defines unordered list, means this item will not have a numbering, right? And each list is defined using this li tag, whereas in ordered list the ordered list is defined using ol tag, and each item inside the list is defined using li. So you can see here li is the same, but what is the difference? This ul represents unordered list, whereas ol represent ordered list. Let's see this on our web. So here we are going to give heading. First one is unordered list. Side by side you can see the result as well. Let me zoom a little bit. Yes, we are going to define unordered list. Here we are saying what we are giving again heading player Indian players. First one is as we know that Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli. Second one is MS Dhoni, Chahal. You can see here this each one is list, and it do not have listing numbers. It has bullet points. Later we can change this bullet point into a square, or we can hide this as well, right? We will do this in using CSS. Let's write some some more. Raina, Suresh Raina. See, here I have declared an unordered list, right? The visual representation you can see here, it is each list is defined and it has bullet points. But what if we are doing the same with, if we want to make ordered list like this? See see, you can see what is the difference, only this tag, and here is the differences. Well, we can change this 1 2 3 4 to in Roman number as well using CSS, right? Or we can provide a special attributes. Start with 6. See, now it will start 6 7 8 9 10. This is what? This is an attributes. What is an attribute? Attribute provide additional information about an element. Here what it's saying? It's saying that number should start from 6. Here it is starting from 6. Can we say that start from 6 here as well? No, because this is an unordered list. So this is how we define ordered and unordered list in HTML. The third one is, let me, this is unordered list, whereas this is an ordered list. This is an ordered list. Right? The third type of list is description list. Like suppose we want, let me open my MS Paint. We want something like this, like coffee, right? And we want to write something about this coffee. This is coffee, something like this. We want to describe this. Basically, we want to describe this item, right? Like this. Then we can use description list. How do we define? We define description list. Let me give an what heading? Description list. How do we define? We define using DL tag. DL tag is used to define description list. In description list, we use DT, description title. Let's see coffee. Where it is here, and we use to define what? Description definition. Here you can see this is the output. So this is how we can define description list. The second one can be what? Let's suppose fruits, and we want to write something for fruit. See, this is the visual representation. This is how our content will be shown on the what? Web page. So these are the few new tags which we learn in this video. And remember, I told you about block label element and inline element, right? Here li tags are block label elements. Means it always start in new line and take full width. How we can see that how much an element is taking place in our website? How we can see that? We can see that by applying border to that element. Let me apply border here using a style attribute. Border to pixels solid color red. Where? This one. What it's 20, not 22. See, li tags are block level element. Means it's starting in a new line and taking full width. Let's apply border on this one here. See, here it's taking full width. On UI, how much it has taken space in this web page. We can see this by applying border on this element. And how much this element is taking a space, let's see. Here it is. Nearly we can apply border on every element. Let's see, applying border here in OL tag. See, this is an OL tags, and in OL tag we have defined this. These are lists. So it's taking this amount of space in our web page. So if you want to see how much space is taking an element, you can apply border on that element. Here we have applied border on OL tag. So this is an open tag and this is, here we have closed this, right? That's why it's taking only this amount of space. Let's apply border on this. See, it's taking this amount of space. If we want to see how much space is taking this element, we can apply border on this element. See, so whenever you are confused, use border. We will see how can we apply border using CSS. Of course, this is CSS, but there are many types, many ways we can use CSS in our websites. We will see differently in different videos. So this is for this video.